I was very, very happy that they don't want it like a normal love story where the guy is betraying the girl or the girl is betraying the boy. I don't want to try just one space where I'm only loved.
Right.
I'm okay if I'm hated in a positive space. I would say hated, the character is hated. I only want to be the heroine of the film and want to do songs and full sari lehrana and dupatta lehrana. I just don't want to do that. I'm a Kashmiri. I can fluently speak Kashmiri. But I did not get cast because my complexion is dusky. I'm not extremely fair.
So Hina, welcome to E Times.
Thank you. Thank you, Sneha ji. Thank you so much. I am very good. How are you?
I'm doing good too. So firstly, congratulations on the song. It's doing great.
Thank you.
The reactions are fab. Your look is fab. Everything is so stunning. What is the kind of reaction you have been getting on social media, in DMs or in family?
I mean, honestly, I did not get the time to really go and look out for the comments and whatever people have been saying. I will after I finish my interviews because, I was doing something else in the morning and then I had interviews lined up, so I could not really check. So I heard I was on giving interviews before your interview. So I heard that there are a lot of good comments. People are really liking it. Yeah, some of my friends have written some amazing reviews on my WhatsApp, which kind of excites me because they are very, very honest. If it is not good, they'll tell me it's not good. So I'll go and check. You tell me, how's it going? Kaisa hai? What are the comments?
Fab, something new, like we haven't seen you in this avatar, raw and rugged. It's simply beautiful and stunning and sexy, if I can say that.
Thank you. Well, sexy I'll take as a compliment.
And tell me, Hina, how did you come on board for this project? Like, what made you say yes for this song?
See, I'm a person, everybody knows this thing about me, that I keep trying new things. I'm okay, even if it's a failure. I'm okay with that, but I will keep on trying new things. So Saregama was a complete new family to get involved with. And they kind of were really, really sweet, and they presented me the song, and I got to know that Aditya is directing it. So Aditya Dutt has directed Barish Banjana as well. So somewhere I had that confidence in Aditya, and then Saregama is a new team I was working with. So I wanted to give it a try. That how does it go? How they are as a team. They're also growing, venturing into new songs and everything. So I thought might as well just give it a try. The song is really nice, and of course, when the lineup was explained to me, when the storyboard was explained to me, I was very, very happy that they don't want it like a normal love story where the guy is betraying the girl or the girl is betraying the boy. They want to give it a gangster sort of a vibe, want me to look completely different than what I've looked in all my projects in the past. So it kind of really excited me. Plus, there were some stunts involved. Some we could manage and some we could not because of time constraints. But overall, it was a fun experience to shoot with Angad. It was really, really nice shooting with him. He's so down to earth, so humble, and we kind of connected. And there was no hesitation in shooting with him. It was all in a very comfortable space.
So, Hina, talking about negative characters, like you are playing a negative gray shade character in this song. So, do you get messages from your fans saying that don't do a negative character in your projects? Like, I'm asking you this because you have done a serial like Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, and your character Akshara is really strong. Like the impact is still there. So do you get any DMs like that? Like the fans are hesitant to see you in such characters?
Surprisingly, no, Sneha. Because I think after Akshara, the first negative character I played was Komalika.
Right. Yeah.
And people were, I mean, I don't want to, मैं ऐसा लगेगा मैं अपनी तारीफ खुद कर रही हूँ, but people kind of were blown away.
Right.
Like they found, they just found pure performance and ada and swag
Right.
that attracted them towards the character Komolika, other than that she being negative.
Right.
And I take it as a compliment. Like, I have won awards Best Actor Negative as well. I have won awards Best Actor as a protagonist as well.
Yeah.
So it kind of gives me a lot of work satisfaction that I have pulled it, you know, pulled it through as a negative character as well, as a positive as well. Then I think they have evolved with time. I think 12 साल हो गए उन लोगों को भी मेरे साथ, अब 12 साल होने वाले हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो भी मेरे साथ इवॉल्व हो गए हैं कि you know, हीना does both. अगर मैंने एक फिल्म अनलॉक जैसी की है जिसमें मैं सुहानी is a complete negative character, then I've done a film like Lines as well, where Nazia is such an endearing character.
Right.
Then अगर म्यूजिक वीडियो की बात करें, बारिश में she's so vulnerable that she wants her love back.
Right. Yeah.
And in this, she is ready to kill her love. So,
yeah.
मैं कर क्या रही हूँ मुझे कभी कभी खुद समझ नहीं आता.
But if your fans are loving it, then तो फिर like you're on a right track. I think so.
I think they have evolved. They know कि वो ये कर रही है तो इसके बाद कुछ नया भी करेगी, कुछ पॉजिटिव भी करेगी, फिर कुछ नेगेटिव करेगी. I think that is how an actor should be. I don't want to try just one space where I'm only loved.
Right.
I'm okay if I'm hated in a positive space. I would say hated. The character is hated.
Right.
Which means I am delivering what I have to.
Yeah. Right.
So I am okay trying new shades.
So yeah, my next question was about this only. If ever you get a Bollywood film where you have to play a gray shade or say negative character, would you explore that opportunity?
Of course. I recently tested for one.
Oh, which one?
I can't obviously spill the beans, but I'm open. I mean, as an actor, I don't have any shame that or any reservations that I only want to be the heroine of the film and want to do songs and full sari lehrana and dupatta lehrana. I just don't want to do that. With all due respect, it's not that I'm saying I don't want to do that. I said I just don't want to do that.
Right.
I am okay exploring the other part as well. Of course, I also want to wear a chiffon sari in a snowfall or probably in Switzerland.
Yes.
Who doesn't want to do it?
Yeah. So, like you just said, you're ready to explore everything. And we obviously know that whatever you do, it ends up becoming a hit. Like serial karo, song karo, movie karo, it's a hit, and like it's a proven fact. So, but do you are you bothered by the number game in terms of views on a song or on a trailer? Like, do you get bothered by that?
आजकल जिस space में हम हैं in this digital world, it really matters.
Right.
Like I do a lot of social media campaigns on my Instagram, so I know the fact that my team is asked about the details, that how did the video do, how many views, what is the engagement. Probably it matters. It makes a difference. It is not just about how popular you are or what is your body of work, how many projects you've done. When it comes to social media, whether it's YouTube, any platform, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, any such platform, the first thing which probably matters is the number game.
Right.
It's a fact. It's a fact. I'm sorry. I mean, they may cast someone, not always, but there are many a times they cast people who may not be good actors or who may not have acted at all.
Right.
But they only get cast because they give good numbers. Probably they are very strong on social media.
Right.
So I'm not taking it away from the actors who are very, very good at their work, who are who perform, who deliver. Eventually, आप कुछ भी कर लें, आपके कितने भी numbers क्यों ना हो, eventually you may get one project, two projects, three projects, or a bunch of projects. if you cannot deliver, eventually a good actor only will go forward.
Talking about your Bollywood journey, like you were seen in Hacked last year. What can we expect from you next? Like, are you reading anything? Like you just mentioned, you auditioned for something. So, is there anything else in the
Not just for that. I keep testing. I keep doing stuff. Yeah. I mean, we as actors, I think we should be pretty active about what is happening around. And if you're called, I feel blessed that I am called.
Right.
I am called by people. I'm called by big production houses where the director is humongous, massive, and I am called even to get tested. I take it. I take it as a compliment that they even consider me.
Right.
So a lot of things are in the pipeline. I cannot talk about it, but I'm very happy that at least I am in people's consideration.
Right. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Your fans.
And sooner or later, something or the other clicks if you are a good performer.
Right. That's there. Yeah. Your fans are actually quite excited to watch you in another Bollywood film. So I just thought of asking
Hoga.
if there's anything.
Inshallah. Hoga.
Chalo. We'll meet soon for that interview.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
About your journey, your projects, how do you deal with the rejections that you face? Like there are times when you are approached for a project, but later someone else replaces you, or say there are times when you will reject the project. So how do you deal with this entire process?
And there are times where I say I probably don't like the story, or probably I don't want to do that kind of a character for time being. ऐसा भी होता है, और ऐसा भी होता है जहाँ पर you probably test for it and you're very keen that it works and it doesn't work out. For various reasons, I remember, I can't talk about the project. I can't actually talk about it, but I could not crack that project because I did not look Kashmiri enough.
Oh, okay. Was it Razi?
I can't talk about it.
Okay.
I'm a Kashmiri. I can fluently speak Kashmiri. But I did not get cast because my complexion is dusky. I'm not extremely fair.
Right.
And that's what the team demanded. That's what the character demanded. You know how Kashmiris are.
Yeah.
So I really felt bad. And you feel bad that you know the language so well. Probably you could have done wonders in that character.
Yeah.
Or I did not get cast only because I don't look Kashmiri. Bloody, I am a Kashmiri.
But ठीक है, वो चली गई तो क्या हुआ? आगे you have so many projects. So
yeah, exactly. I never lose hope.
Yeah,
I don't give up.
Amazing. Then.
I'll keep trying.
Okay, Hina, I just wanted to ask you about your relationship with Rocky. Like you have been quite open about your relationship. You are in public. But do you think somewhere it takes away from your work? Like every time you go anywhere, people keep on asking you, "Kab shaadi ho rahi hai? Ab kya ho raha hai?" Like the entire limelight shifts to your relationship and not your work. So does it bother?
I don't think it really exists now. अब तो बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं कल को शादी का भी plan करूं, although marriage is not on the cards. But कल को अगर मैं शादी का भी plan करूं, I don't think we have such huge, massive examples like Anushka Sharma, Virat Kohli, Deepika Padukone, Ranveer Singh, Kareena Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, and Kareena is she's set. ऐसे benchmarks की आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. She worked. She was full on working when she was expecting. I think in her third trimester also she was working. So they are setting an example, and I don't think people really have evolved and learned the process of accepting. There is a lot of acceptance in people now. कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Not that if a woman is pregnant, she has to be home for 9 months. Times have changed. I don't think it really affects. I'm telling you, sweetheart, it's your performance, pure performance. That is going to bring you work.
Okay.
Maybe digitally you may get a bunch of projects, but then it's your performance.
Okay, chalo, theek hai. And before we hop on to the next segment, I just wanted to know your upcoming projects, whatever you can speak about. If
I can currently talk about that. There are talks happening for a couple of things.
okay,
I can't really talk about them.
okay,
I can only say that after this, I have a song with Shahid, which is directed by Mohit Suri.
okay.
And I'm quite kicked about. We both are really, really excited. In fact, Mohit is very excited about the song.
Great, chalo.
So, yeah.
Your fans might be very happy after they see
Yeah.
this interview.
They know it already. They know
Oh,
everything.
okay. Chalo, great. Thank you so much, Hina, for doing this. I
Thank
just
you.
loved chatting with you. And
Thank you,
all
Sneha.
your future projects.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care.
Bye. You too.